Hello students, we are solving the IB Math E HL May 2024 paper 2 time zone 1 past paper. Today we will be solving the question number 2 of this paper. This is a common question for both the SL and the HL streams. For the SL level students, it is the question number 3 and for the HL students, it is question number 2. And for the HL students, you will be getting the solved past paper questions of this paper, the first question of this paper, and the other solved past paper questions of the other papers in form of playlists on my channel, NS Online Math Tutoring Classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math HL level tutor. In case you want to join my sessions, please contact me for more details. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start answering this question. The maximum mark is 5. It is saying a monument is in the shape of a right cone with a vertical height of 20 meters. Oliver stands 5 meters from the base of the monument. 5 meters, this is Oliver. 5 meters from the base of the monument. His eye level is this is the eye level, 1.8 meters above the ground. And the angle of elevation from the Oliver's eye level to the vertex of the cone is 58 degrees, as shown in the following diagram. So part A's question is, this is the vertical height 20 meters. Find the radius of the base of the cone. That means if I can write this maybe V, this is E, this is B, okay, and this EB will be the radius of the cone, and I need to get the radius. So what should I be doing? I can take this right angle triangle, maybe this is C, and I can drop a perpendicular from this point B to this point, and the foot of the perpendicular will be D. So this is a perpendicular, okay. ABCD, this is a rectangle because AB will be equal to CT, which will be equal to the radius of the cone, okay. And let me name this Oliver's eye level point as E. So I am taking the right triangle VCE because I know this angle, this is a right angle, 90 degree. I know this angle and also I know the length of VC because I know the VA, length of VA, which is 20 meters, and VC will be VA minus CA. CA is 1.8 meters, okay. So I will be considering the right triangle VCE. Okay, so fine. First of all, I get VC. You name these points, okay. So I'm writing VC is equal to VA minus CA, which is equal to 20 minus 1.8, which is equal to, this is paper 2, I can use the calculator. So 20 minus 1.8 is equal to 18.2, okay. 18.2 meters. This is 18.2. So I will be finding the length of CE. Therefore, tan 58 degrees is equal to VC over CE. And this is equal to VC, I know 18.2 over CE, which I do not know. Therefore, CE should be equal to 18.2 over tan 58 degrees. Okay. So let us find this. And this is in degrees. You have to remember this because usually your calculator is set to radians. So you change it to degrees, first of all. And then it is 18.2 over tan 58 degrees. 18.2 divided by tan 58. I don't have to give the degrees because I have set the angles to degrees. Okay, angle measurement to degrees. Enter. It is 11.3726. I'm taking up to 26. 11.3726. Okay, so this is 11.3726. Now, what is CE? CD plus DE, and DE is equal to 5 meters. So, CE is equal to CD plus DE, and DE is equal to 5 meters. So, this is equal to CD plus 5, which is equal to 11.3726. Therefore, CD is equal to AB equal to radius equal to obviously radius of the cone equal to 11.3726 minus 5. Okay. So answer minus 5. Sorry, minus 5. Enter. 6.3726. So I'm taking up to 3 significant figures, but okay, for the subpart B, I'll be calculating the volume. So first of all, let me take 6.3726. Okay. So this is equal to 6.3726. Therefore, radius of the base of the cone is equal to 6.37 meters. So now coming to subpart B, it is find the volume of the monument. So the volume of the cone's formula is given in your formula booklet. It is 1/3 V is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. R is the radius of the base of the cone and h is the height. Okay. So volume equal to 1/3 pi times. For this, I will be taking 6.3726. Don't take 3 significant figures answer for any subsequent calculation. Okay. So 6.3726 whole square, and the height is this time, the height is 20. Okay. So this is equal to 1/3 times pi times r square, which is answer square, times 20. Enter. 850.54. So this time it is the final answer. So I can give the answer correct up to 3 significant figures. It is 851. Okay. So 851 meter cube this is correct to 3 significant figures. This is also correct to 3 significant figures. So we have completed answering this question. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like this video and please share this video with your friends, of course, in case you like my explanation. And please subscribe to my channel in case you have not subscribed to my channel till now. And your liking, your sharing, and your subscribing will be helping me a lot, and it will be telling the YouTube that my videos are worth watching. So the YouTube will be showing my videos to more number of students. That will be helping me really, really, really a lot. We meet again very soon in our next session. We'll be solving the next question of the same paper. Till then, bye.